Hey guys, welcome to Smartphone Fan. Today I bring another new larger model for you. It's the Oukitel WP21. And here in the bottom of the books, bottom side of the books, we find the Oukitel's WP21, the basic information. And today I'm going to unbox this. Have a very quick unboxing video about this model, and we will talk on the specification about this model. And also we can see from the bottom side of the box here the main specification about the device. The screen is 6.78 inch FHD plus and Android 12 based pure Android system, and they support network 4G and is octa-core processor MT6789, and it have a 12GB RAM plus 256GB RAM. The main camera is 64 megapixel and 20 megapixel front camera, and support 1, 2, 3, 4 GPS, Beidou, Galileo, GLONASS positional system, and it support dual SIM and TF card extension. The big battery, 9800 mAh big battery, and support fingerprint scanned. So here, yes, is the main specification about this device. And next, let's unbox it and check what's inside this box. Okay, and also about the box, it's a very simple and pure white box. It's a tray and cover, and after we open it, that's a soft foam to protect device. And actually the device is not like the box design, not like a larger device design is so cleaner and white, but usually for the larger device is feel more focused on larger special work environment. Okay, so after we open the books, we can find that the phone, cable, and the charger is in front of us. And then, okay, here we have the cable, the Type-C to Type-C cable, and then Type-C charger, 66 watt PD fast charger. And okay, here another section, we get the warranty certificate, warranty card, Oukitel. I think this is some instructions for the battery, because this phone have a very big batteries. Yes, that's the instructions of how to use these big battery smartphones. And due to the limitation of aviation safety and battery power, only 30% of battery power is allowed to be delivered. Please charge the battery for 30 minutes before starting up for use. Please use the original charger and supporting data cable when charging. So this has instructions for the battery, and also for the safety of the application. And also here we get the user manual, different languages user manual. Yeah, and okay, let's put this stuff aside and go to the smartphone. Yeah, so finally, yeah, the smartphone here is in front of us. Whoa, it's a dual screen larger device, and it is the first dual screen larger device for Oukitel. And from the appearance and design of this model of this smartphone, is a very traditional larger phone design here from several aspects. First, here the back cover, they use the fiber carbon element, and also the camera zone, the logo, also a mantled component. And also here the corners, enhanced, and also the frame is a metal frame. Here the stopper, they have a special stopper to protect it from extreme working environment like water or sand. And here they have a hole. We can use a string to hook it. Also here, from this angle, we can see the screen is sink into the frame of the smartphone. And also here, same. Here is a camera zone. There are 4 parts bombed up to protect the second screen of the device. And also in the front, you can find that it have they shown us the main specification about this device. And also I mentioned it in the beginning of the video. Here they add the IP68, IP690K rating and the military standard 810H rating about this device. So this is a pure Roger device. And the only thing we don't know from the front box is that this device is our dual screen, and we can switch it from campaigns, camera, music, and the clock interface. And here 1, 2, 3, 4 is our the triple rear camera system, and here I think it's for the night vision in-frame emitters and also the LED flashlight, dual color LED flashlight. Yeah, so this is the basic specification and basic design part for this smartphone. And also next, let's wake up to check the device. Okay, let's peel this off first. Peel off the screen protector first. Okay, so and we can go to the settings part. We go to the settings part to check the device name, the model name, and Android 12. Basic information about the device here. Yeah, it's a pure Android system. Clock settings. I think here we can setting the back screen at here. Go to the mini screen here. Yeah, mini screen clock plate. Okay, so the plate, lots of plate for us to choose. We can choose one like this. Okay, so now the back screen plate has been changed. And here the mini screen here. And we can also do display settings here, screen or setting, camera setting. Yeah, we can also go to the cameras, music. So here we can also do the camera shooting. Okay, so here go to the camera settings here. Okay, so here is the settings about the mini screen here. As I mentioned, the basic specification about this device. First is the processor is an octa-core processor, and it's have a 12 GB RAM plus 256 GB ROM, and the main camera is 64 megapixel, and the front one is 20 megapixel. As we can see, they have a punch hole in the camera. From this, let's change. Yeah, here is the Roger tool bag. Go to the here. Yes, the punch hole from the camera. and the battery is 9800 big batteries with 6 to 6 watt fast charger. And also here, this part is have a fingerprint unlock, and they combine this in one buttons with the power button and value buttons. And I think something I want to mention is here, the red and the red. So it have a very unique buttons here. I think this is for the customized buttons, but the only the difference compared to other Roger devices is have 2 customized key buttons, and we can set it. I think we can set it here. Here we can find the side key functions. So here we can choose different functions, shortcut or open the app. With one click we can choose calculate, double click, let's set it as water camera, and then double click short. Okay, so now let's go to the home, and then now we open the underwater camera, and for this customized key is for the underwater camera buttons. Here. So here we can go. This is about the 2 customized keys, and then we can check. Okay, we can do double click screenshot. Okay, so this is very useful customized keys. And next, before we go to the end of the video, I'm going to do a very funny comparing videos with three dual screen phones: the Oukitel, the TikTok Universe, and the Doogee. And first, now in my hand is the Oukitel WP21, and we can find it's called the mini screen, and it's provide different plate fast choose. And the Universe TikTok E, they also have a sub screen. They call it a sub screen, yeah. And we can go to sub screen settings to check the settings about the screen. And okay, very funny thing happened. They have a very similar, almost we can say same plate fast choose. So maybe we can say they use the very similar or software path to control the second screen. Yes. But this is very funny. The difference is that the size of the screen is a bit different, and the Universe is have a 1.3 inch 240 and 240 back screen, and for the for Oukitel one actually is yes, it's almost same. But the Universe TikTok is much bigger, and also this is the doogees98. It also have a dual screen, but we can see the clock plate is different. Also the real screen the settings is the real screen, not the mini or the sub screen. They call it the real display, and we can also setting the plate. Okay. So for Doogee, it's very customized and different clock, income, and music. They provide 3 functions in the back of the screen, but actually for the Universe TikTok and the Oukitel, they provide much. They can do camera, and also they can do music, car plate, and also the notifications as well. But for the Doogee, they provide only 3 functions. So this is another different. Yes, so this is a different for this device, and also for the Roger, as we can see campers as well. Sorry, yes, so it's much. They can provide more functions for TikTok E and the Oukitel WP21. So this is very very funny comparison about these 2 devices. And We can see the couplet almost same. And about these three devices, they have different processors. Unihertz TikTok E have MTK6765, and for the Oukitel it have a MTK6789, and for the doogees98 it have a Hello G1696, so it's much better for the doogees S96. So this is difference between these devices, and also the for the screen, the Unihertz TikTok is have a 6.5 HD plus, and for the Oukitel is have a 6.78 Full HD plus, and for the doogees S98 it also have a Full HD plus 6.3 inch FHD. Yeah, so this is the about the screen, and for the other things like the waterproof. As we can see, the Unihertz TikTok it doesn't support IP68 rating, and but it's only have it's just like a business style traditional phones. But for the Oukitel and the doogees, they are rugged phones. They provide the rugged tool bags, and also they can do waterproof, dustproof, and shockproof. So these two devices are rugged devices compared to the Unihertz TikTok E, and also they provide night vision camera as well. For the back mirror rear cameras, both of them support 64 megapixel rear camera, and for the front camera, the S98 is 16 megapixel front camera, and the Oukitel is 20 megapixel front camera. And also, as we can see, the Unihertz TikTok is only 8 megapixel front camera and 48 megapixel main camera, rear camera. So this is different. Another difference is between these two devices. And also from Desire, the doogie and the Oukitel, they are more rugged Desire. They provide the rugged design, enhance the corners and the back cover of the device. So this is much better for the outdoor lovers if they want to such a devices. And also the battery are different. The doogie only have 6,000 mAh big batteries, but the Oukitel WP21 is have 9,800 big batteries. So this is much bigger. But for the TikTok Unihertz is only have a 6,000 batteries. So this is another different. Also, as we can see from the size, the size, the Oukitel P21 is much thick than other devices. And for the doogie, it have 15.5 mm dips, and also the Unihertz Tiki is have only 11 mm. But as we can see from the Oukitel, it have a much big compared to the other devices. So this is the simple comparison. Yeah, so this is very short, very quick unbox video about this model, the WP21 from Oukitel, the dual screen device with 2 customized keys. So do you like such a beast, a better beast, and outdoor beast? Okay, thanks for watching this video, and stay tuned, waiting for more cool gadgets from here. Bye bye.